Hello ma'am, hello sir, good morning. My name is Chaitanya Suraj Mure. I am studying in LKG class. I am 4 years old. My poet name is Sensargan. Infai Sensargan. Eyes, ear, nose, tongue and skin. I see with my eyes. I touch with my skin.
ओके
I take with my tongue.
गुड आता त्या साईडने जा.
I smell with my nose.
गुड
I hear with my ear.
गुड
सॉरी घंटी तर वाजवत जावं थोडीशी.
लास्टमध्ये थँक्यू.